guys, Miss Charlie here with a quick tutorial using the Vampyre Cosmetics Silent Hill palette, the Pyramid Head palette. I saw them on Instagram and I love Silent Hill and I love Pyramid Head. So I wanted to try this brand out, and this is the palette I got. They also had the Bobblehead Nurse, and they also have a few other horror themed palettes, but I love Pyramid Head, so I went ahead and got this. I don't like the packaging, even though it is Pyramid Head, but you can't really see him on this. I would have liked for it to be a little bit more detailed so you can tell that it's Pyramid Head other than the shape. It is a little cheaply made. I forgot how much this cost. It is magnetic on the inside, but you can see Pyramid Head better here, and then it has a mirror shaped like that. And this is the palette, and this has already detached because this is cardboard or whatnot, and it's already come loose. You can see right there it's come loose, and you can see the eyeshadows in there. See, it's come loose already. I will probably depot these and put them in something else, but it has a Bobblehead Nurse on it as well. But they perform nicely, I have to say. I didn't have any problem with these. The black is not as black as I like it, but it's nice for those who are scared of black eyeshadows. It's very, very gray. It's more of a dark smoky gray, and you can build it up, which I had no problem with. But I love the colors that I chose. I wanted to use the red, and it blended with that to make like a nice ombre, which I really liked. I like a dark, deep, smoky look, and those two played well together. And then I used Dreams on the lid, which is a very pretty lavender, which I don't understand where that came in Silent Hill. But anyway, because most of Silent Hill was very gray and black and white and, you know, shades of gray. There were a few pops, but not a whole lot other than Blood, and even that was dark. It wasn't bright. But anyway, I used this, and this, and they performed absolutely fine. No problems at all. I will be using this more to let you know my thoughts. I haven't used the blue yet, but you know, it's got a pop of blue. Throwback to what, 2016 or 17, 18, where every eyeshadow palette had a pop of blue. But I just wanted to come in, and because I forgot about it with other things that's been going on, and I haven't even posted about it on Instagram, which I probably have after filming this. I haven't mentioned it, but I just wanted to let you know if you were interested in it, or if you've seen it on Instagram, because they still have their little ads on Instagram, but they're, you know, still selling this as a pre-order, or some of the other horror ones that they have. I think they had a couple from Five Nights at Freddy's. I'll put pictures here, and I'll also link them down below. So if you are interested in this, or if you're a horror fan and you just want it for, you know, collector's purposes, because that's what I'm going to have it for, is collector's purposes. I'm going to use it. And then also like my Friday the 13th that I got from Glamlight, that was more for collector's purposes, because I love Friday the 13th. I love Jason. I did looks using that, and so far it was okay, but it's mostly for collector's purposes. And some people don't buy makeup for as a collector for a certain reason. They might buy it because it's pretty, or they might buy it because that's just the brand that they like. I buy things for those reasons, but also as a collector of other things, and I love horror, so this jumped out at me because, again, it is something that I like, Pyramid Head and Silent Hill. So but thanks so much for coming. Let me know what you think of the look. Again, I like a dark smoky look. I appreciate you all being here. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and also subscribe here on YouTube. And we will see you in the next video.